Hello, so for today I'll be showing you how to add a file onto your Google Classroom. So what we do first is go to a class in our Google Classroom. And now we see we have an assignment due. So what we do is go to classwork and we press on an assignment. Now what we see here is a question asking us for our first and last name. So now we just do that. And so now in this next part, it's asking us a question and it says we have to add a file. So what we do is go to this bottom left hand side circle where it says launcher. You type in camera and then you press on the camera. So now what we see here is the camera. So now what we do is grab a paper of where we should have written the answer to the question, take a picture, and now we go to add file. We go to select files from your device. So we do that. And now we go to images and you press on your most recent image. And you press open. And now you can see the assignment here. And if you see the assignment here, that means you're done. So all you have to do is upload. And then you're done. So now you just press submit. Thank you for watching this video and I hope